friends, welcome back to my channel Learn and Learn with Aastha. So friends, in today's video we are not going to study anything. I am going to unbox some gifts which are given by my Masi. So now let's unbox. So first I will unbox this beautiful and this nice, so much good kitchen set. So first let's keep another gift aside. So this is the kitchen set. So on its cover some stickers are given and इसमें बताया गया है ये बनने के बाद it after it's assembled how it will look. So let us open. So now, so you can see I have pasted this already. Okay, so this is how it looks. It looks like a suitcase. So yes, so this is in yellow color and here we have to open. Now let's open. Okay, so here are this is so when we open it, here we see a sticker. I have pasted it and here we have to paste. If you take like this, so you can see how we have to paste it here. And there is one hanging one also. It's so cute, right? I just love. And we can hang also in this. So then here this is the white part and this is the most important part of the kitchen set. So the part is this. It's the induction and this is the timer for the induction. So and here it is given a sink also, and even here it's given to put the plates too. So now let us see the parts. Oh my god, there are so many parts over here. Okay, so friends, in this they have come some stickers on a page, so that I have already pasted. So this is attachable, so we can remove it also. So now let us take out all the parts. So first is this small cooking pan. Not a pan, it's a cooker we can say. So this is it's of plastic and it's so cute. See the size. Then there is there are some parts which we have to join. There are two parts, so we have to join on this big main white part. So then there are two more parts which we have to join. One is for hanging the utensils and one is for keeping the essentials. Okay, so now let us see what's next. So then there is a cooking pan. It is as similar as this one, but it's a cooking pan. Let's put it here. Then there are two plates. See how cute are they? They are so small. Then we have a tap. See this tap. We can move it also. I just love it. And a bit up and down. So then we have a lid for the pan and the cooker. Now there's one more part and I don't know where we have to put it. So let's see after assembling all the parts. Then we have a corn and a broccoli. See, it's so cute, right? Then we have ketchup, so it's written salad dressing here, and then we have black pepper. Now there are so many utensils. See these many utensils. So first utensil is this small spoon. Then this utensil, then again a spoon, a fork, a butter knife or a knife, and one more utensil, and one more utensil. I don't know what it's called. Now we have to assemble it. So first we have to put here, where is that? Yes, this one. See, this one we have to put over here. Just like this, and we will hang the things here. Then the second one is this one. So हमें इसको लगाना तो ऐसे है, लेकिन मैं इसको उल्टा लगाती हूँ क्योंकि ऐसे मैं इसको ऐसे लगाती हूँ, then it become a space for putting the ketchup and all, और फिर वो गिरेगा भी नहीं. You see, वो गिरेगा भी नहीं. ओके, तो जल्दी से मैं असेंबल करके आपको दिखा देती हूँ. तो पहले हमें ये लगाना है, देन हमें ये वाइट पार्ट लेना है, एंड देन उस वाइट पार्ट पे ये ऐसे ये लगेंगे ब्लू वाले. ओके, तो जल्दी जल्दी हम लगा देते हैं. तो अब हमें इसको इसमें लगा देंगे, स्पेस किया हुआ इसमें. तो अब हमें इसमें हम टैप लगाएंगे यहाँ पे सिंक के यहाँ पे. तो जूम करके आप देख सकते हो. ओके, तो देन हम प्लेट्स लगाएंगे टैप के पीछे यहाँ पर, एंड असेंबलिंग इज डन. अब हमारे पास है हमारा कुकर and our pan. So we will put the utensils here. Jaldi. Okay, let's put, and the small knife over here, and here the spoons and the fork. Now we will put the ketchup and the black pepper, and you will think that where will we put this corn and this broccoli. So we will put here, so we can wash it and then only we will use. Then I don't know where we have to put this, तो मैं यहाँ पे ही लगाती हूँ इसको. So here let's put. Okay, so is it looking similar? Wait, see, it sees in the picture. See here, you can see almost same, and I just love this. See, it's so cute and it's so handy also. So isn't it looking beautiful? So friends, tell me how many of you still play with the kitchen sets and the doctor sets. I love playing with the kitchen sets. Even me and my brother, we both play with this kitchen set when we are free. So we just enjoyed playing this a lot. So thank you Mosi for this wonderful gift. So you can see it's looking so beautiful. Okay, now let us move to the next gift.
Start.
So this is the snakes and ladders. So Ludo, snakes and ladders, and chess. So it is 3-in-1, a complete family entertainment. So I don't know the rate of it, and it's written here age 5+. So here इसमें रूल्स लिखे हुए हैं हमें कैसे खेलना है चेस. तो हम जल्दी देखते हैं इसमें क्या है. ओके, सो ये है हमारा हम जहाँ पे खेलेंगे. तो पहले इसको हम ऐसे ओपन करते हैं लाइक दिस. सो उसके बाद इसके पीछे है लूडो. आप सोचोगे स्नेक्स एंड लैडर्स कहाँ है, तो वो है ऐसे. इट्स लाइक अ नोटबुक. सी, इट्स हियर. Okay, now let's keep inside. सो ये है चेस की गोटियाँ. ओके. And black and white. And now this is a dice. और ये है लूडो और स्नेक्स एंड लेडर्स की गोटियाँ. Okay, see the colors, they're so bright. Now I want to show you one more thing, which is I just love that gift the most, and that gift is, let's keep it aside, and I hope you love this beautiful thing. So now the next is this. This is a beautiful top. So you can see it's a beautiful top, and I just love, and it looks so pretty on me. So this is also gifted by my Mossy. So you can see it's pink in color, and there are some flower designs here, and so you can see white flowers. And the most favorite thing is this here above. Okay. So beautiful. Okay friends, so I want to show you one more thing. So it's a funny thing. I don't know you will find it funny or not. So this is the thing what I am talking about. This is a laser sound gun. Just see. This is the gun. This is for my brother. It's not for me, but I'm including it in this video. So here it is the laser, and here thermocol, small balls. So this sound it makes. This is so funny. So this is, now you can see laser also here. It's laser also. Okay. So this is for my brother. He plays a lot with it. He loves it so much. So this I have included in my video, and my Mossy have gifted my brother a dress also, but I'm not including it in my video. So thank you Mossy for all these wonderful gifts. So friends, hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and also hit the like button and share it with your friends if you find this video funny. So you can see the kitchen set. Okay, then the top, snakes and ladders, and this funny gun. Bye bye.